Welcome to Nightmare Garage, everybody. We're here to see if you can cook some breakfast with the exhaust on your car. So right here we got Nightmare. It's my 1,000 horsepower twin turbo Camaro, and we have a bunch of bacon, and we also have a bunch of eggs. So I'm gonna go wash this pan off, and we're gonna get to frying. Start off with our bacon. I think the plan of attack is going to be put them directly on the header. You know, that's the hottest, and I think this will take the most to cook. So I'm going to fire the car up. We're going to get the bacon started, and then we're going to start the eggs very shortly after.
You lost the pan!
This pan is going to work, so we're going to probably have to do eggs in tin foil and just kind of cup it and set it on there. So we'll get it figured out. Degrees aft on those headers, so that should start cooking it pretty good. You can already see it start cooking up real nice. That smells really good.
How are you gonna flip it?
I got it, babe.
Oh, I didn't know you were. Oh, that prepared. Tiff wants bacon. Look at her lick them chomps.
400 degrees right now. Alright, so I think the bacon turned out pretty good. We can fry that up. I'd do that again, honestly. It cooked very well. Eggs, I don't know if I'd eat those, but bacon, that's good. It tastes like normal bacon too. It doesn't even taste like fuel or anything. You want some? You want some bacon?
There's some under the car. Remember the stuff that you brought?
It's tip approved.
Yep. The dog likes it. That's how you know it's edible. So, we're gonna try to finish cooking this egg one other way. And if that doesn't work out, I guess eggs aren't meant to be cooked on your exhaust. But bacon, that stuff's good. Oh, you're not gonna stop until I give you more, are you?
You can get the lost one.
Ready?
Yeah, tip.
Go Tippers! You wanna try some?
I might only get hepatitis B. No.
It's not bad.
If you see me obituary in the paper tomorrow, you know why.
It did a number on my exhaust, so look at that. Man, that's going to take a long time to scrub off. It's a good thing I will be making a new exhaust for the car in like a week and a half, so you guys, I think you guys will really like how this is going to go. But, alright, let's cook this egg real quick this other way, and yeah, let her rip. In my eyeball. Kinda, not really. Put her up on the chip one more time. Hot dog. Do it one more time. What'd you think of putting her up on the chip? Bop, bop, bop.
Oh, wait, it was Peter getting shot with that.
We're on the hood. Alright, you can shut her down. Just, yeah, flip them off.
This one. My fingers are frozen.
Yeah, it'd be cold out here. Oh.
Hi.
Alright. Cold. Alright.
Blasted egg. The fallen ones.
Yeah, it was violent.
This is not what these baby chickens had intended for their purpose in life. to be blasted on a two-step.
Well, cooking eggs didn't work out so good, but cooking bacon, it was actually delicious. If you guys haven't already, make sure to subscribe and leave me a like on this video. And if you want me to cook anything else, I will try my best to do that. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys later. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys later. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys later.